Good morning, students. Let's go for the next problem. Here I wrote the question in short form. It is there in your material. Units produce 5000 units at a capacity of 50%. Okay, so all the information is given for 50% capacity, that is for 5000. So material 40 rupees, wages 20 rupees, both should be considered as a variable, should be taken to prime cost. Manufacturing expenses rupees 10, but no information is given whether it is fixed or variable. If the nothing is given, we have to decide by, if the given rate per unit value is given, then entire amount should be considered as a variable. If the manufacturing expenses is given in amount like 5000 or 10,000, then total amount will be considered as a fixed. So in this problem they are given per unit value. So manufacturing expenses should be considered as variable. Administrative expenses rupees 5, within bracket dimension fixed. So entire administrative expenses is fixed in this problem. So no need to do working note for manufacturing and administrative expenses. Selling and distribution expenses rupees 5, within bracket dimension 60% fixed, then remaining 40% variable. Then we have to calculate, do the calculation of fixed amount and variable per unit calculation. Total cost is given 80 rupees, profit is given 20, sales is given 100. It is for 50% capacity, that is for 5000 units. So adjustment, selling expenses remain constant up to 60% and reduced in 70% and 90% by 5%. So up to 60%, 50% they already given in the problem. So up to 60%, same 100 rupees is the selling price. But after 60%, that is 70 and 90%, it is reduced by 5%. So 100 minus 5, you will get 95 rupees for 70 and 90%. So we have to prepare the flexible budget for 60%, 70% and the 90%. If you have time, you can prepare even for the 50% also, we can show it in the statement. But in this, I am doing without 50% capacity. I am preparing only for 60%, 70% and 90% capacity. So first we have to do the working note. Here I already done. So selling and distribution only we have to do the working note. So 5 rupees into 5000. 5000 is the units produced of 50% capacity. Same thing we have to use. So 5 into 5000, you will get 25,000. Out of 25,000, 60%, that is 15,000 is fixed. Remaining 10,000, 40% is variable. For a fixed we required amount 15,000, we take it to the statement directly. But for variable we require per unit. So 10,000 divided by 5,000 we have to do. Then you will get rupee 2 is the variable per unit. Then we have to prepare the statement. So while preparing the statement, we have to do it for 60%, 70%, 100%. 50% value is 5,000, means 100% value is 10,000, double that. Okay, after 10,000 into 60%, if you do 6,000, 10,000 into 70% you do 7,000, 10,000 into 90%, 9,000. Like that we have to do the calculation. See that material rate is given 40. So all the columns we have to take the 40 rupees. Wages they are given 20. So all the column we have to take 20 in the per unit column, because all the time material wages and other expenses, direct expenses will be treated as variable. So rate will be constant. Then we have to calculate the amount. 40 into 6,000, 2 lakh 40,000. 27, 1 lakh 20,000 of it. 20 into 6,000. 40 into 7,000, 2 lakh 80,000. 20 into 7,000, 1 lakh 40,000. Then 40 into 9,000, 3 lakh 60,000. 20 into 9,000, 1,80,000. If you take the totals, prime cost 3,20,000, 60, for unit column is same, 60. Here 4,20,000, 5,40,000. With the prime cost, we have to add the manufacturing expenses. In this problem, manufacturing expenses entire amount is variable. So take 10, 10, 10 in the per unit column. Then multiply 10 into 6,000, 60,000, 70,000, 90,000. If you add, you will get 4,20,000, 70, 70, 70. 4,20,000, 4,90,000, here 6,30,000. Okay. Now administrative overheads, entire amount is fixed. So we require what? Fixed amount. So 5 is the rate is given. 5 into the information is given for how much units? 5,000 units. That is up to 50% capacity. Same units only we have to take. 5 into 5,000, 25,000. So any amount we got 25,000. So in the all the amount column now, amount fixed means amount is constant. So all the amount column we have to write 25,000. Now we have to calculate the rate. So amount required means we have to multiply, rate required means we have to divide. Amount divided by units produced. 25,000 divided by 6,000. 4.17. 25,000 divided by 7,000, 3.57. 25,000 divided by 9,000, 2.78. If we add, you will get cost of production, that is 4,45,000, 74.17. 5,15,000, 73.57. 6,55,000, 72.78. Okay, now we have to add selling and distribution. But selling and distribution we have to divide it into fixed and variable. So fixed means amount is constant. Already calculated fixed how much? 15,000. So all the amount column you have to write 15,000. Now we have to calculate the rate. 15,000 divided by 6,000. You will get 2.5. 15,000 divided by 7,000, 2.14. 15,000 divided by 9,000, 1.67. Variable means rate is constant. So 2 into 6, 12,000. 7 into 2 into 7,000, 14,000, 18,000, 9,000 into 2. They had, you will get the total cost. So total cost 4,60,000, 78.67, 5,30,000, 77.71, 6,88,000, 76.45. Now we require a profit, but profit no information given, but for sales they are given up to 60% capacity. Up to 60% capacity, it is selling prices 100 remain constant. After that, it is reduced by 5%, that is 100 minus 5%. You will get 95. Here also it is 95. Now 100 into 6,000, 6 lakh. 195 into 7,000, 6 lakh 65,000. 8 lakh 55,000. 95 into 9,000. Now we can take the difference as a profit, that is 6 lakh minus 4 lakh 60,000, 1 lakh 40,000. Here 100 minus 78.67, that is 21.33. Here 66 6,65,000 minus 5,35,000. So 5 lakh, 5 lakh 1,35,000, 17.29, 1,67,000, 18.55. Okay, now we got the profit. Thank you.